Okay, I'd like to talk about the 12 kilowatt roller kit press, the automatic blanket deskewer function. It will keep the blanket in the middle. This is how it works and how we adjust. First, you make sure the blanket actually is in the middle. So this side gap and this side gap are similar. No need to be exactly same, but similar. If not, you can go one direction. You can change the speed here. Then it will move. Okay. If it's moving too much this side or that side, you can reverse it. So it will go to the other. It takes time, but it will move. Okay. Once you have the desired position, just stop it from moving. Then this is how it works. It's need air first. It's need air. It's a need our 6-bar compressor. The air constantly need air. When the air is presented, so here you can press this blue button, but when the red light is off, if it's on, it's not working. Let me actually trigger the other side. So the red light is off, so I can show you. So later I will get into that sensor thing. First of all, now the light is off, so we can actually bypass here. You can see, so it's like this. You press. Okay. So this have two modes. You can either, when this side sensor triggered, it will go in here. So this blanket actually stretched by 4 poles. The 1, 2, 3, and 4. So when it's pulling this side, this will be make the perimeter, the conference, this side wider. Therefore, will push the blanket to go that way. In other case, when it's coming this side, the conference, the perimeter will be smaller, so the blanket coming this way. Okay. You can also permanently adjust this position by this wheel, this position by this wheel. Overall time, you need to do that. I'll get to that later. So when you do testing, you can like that. But when this light is off, you trigger that side sensor and will get lights off. Okay, this is how it works. So it's the constant air to adjust it. But when it's adjusting, it's by this sensor. So you can see, let me quickly trigger this one. We can show you the other side. So this side sensor I installed. It's installed like this. It's fastened and installed against the blanket. So if a blanket is shifting this way, eventually will trigger the sensor. Did you hear that? So the gas moved. So I'm gonna install this side sensor. I'm gonna show you now. Okay, this is the sensor. So first we're gonna mount here, but I wanna show you. Okay, I mount this sensor base here, fasten it, generally push on this side, and then I already adjust this lever length. Yeah, this is sharp. Don't tell me how I figured out. So this is in the middle of the blanket. Okay. Then when you try fasten this, nut, you try bend this way. Why? We want it to be triggered more easily. Okay, let me try fasten that. Now I fastened. So this is how it works when it's rolling. If it's blanket shift this side, gonna trigger this. Then they're gonna lose the tension this side. You can see it's going pushing now. So the conference is smaller. Then blanket will come in this way. Then once it's moving too much, trigger this way. Reverse gonna happen. Okay, that's it how it works. Why you need to do this sometime? Because especially over first year, the blanket will be stretched and will become narrow. So you have to actually moving this time by time. Generally, I check every month, moving a little bit. And also because this is stretch, so every month or every 2 weeks, you either use a back wheel, both of them, or the front wheel, both of them. But not one back, one front, okay? Go half circle, one circle to stretch it, okay? So it's keep stretching, especially first year. You stretch the blanket, then eventually blanket will become narrower, maybe come here, and long. That is how the settlement of the blanket. Okay, basically that's how the blanket automatic deskewer or auto center, whichever word you want to call it, how it works. But very important, must have air. That's why when you have a caution says must have air of 3 bar constantly. Where's the constant? Okay. If not, it's called deskewer. Otherwise the blanket will keep against one side damaged. That's what it means. Okay. Thank you.